In the heart of Mediterranean, there lies a tiny island, and hidden between its cliffs, a narrow passage carved by the time itself. As our boat glides in, the sunlight fades, and suddenly it feels like entering a secret world. The air cools down, the walls close in. It is like nature built its own hidden cave in the sea. And then, just when you think it's over, the blue explodes back into view. This is Gozo, a tiny island with 1,000 hidden wonders. Gozo, a must-visit tiny island in the Maltese archipelago in Mediterranean.